Well, that was easy, Garrett.
Garrett just gives him a treat for standing there.
Jump!
Well, he can't tease, though.
Yeah, he probably thinks you're not going to give it to him.
Okay.
Can we do a video of us jumping through the
Sure.
Got a slice of cake.
It's going.
Okay, go. Jump.
Go,
Whose turn
Garrett.
to jump first? Okay, jump.
Push Max.
Go.
Woo!
Jump.
Oh, I thought it was Matt.
Jump.
No,
Come on,
go.
you can.
It's your turn, go.
Your turn.
Jump
Go.
through the hoop.
Okay, Elizabeth's turn.
Okay, go, Ellie, jump through the hoop.
Come on.
Is this one?
No, your turn, go.
Go.
Jump through
Okay,
the hoop.
Max, jump.
Woo!
Okay, jump.
Woo!
Good boy.
Okay, Ellie's turn.
Okay, Ellie, jump through there.
To the hoop.
We're taking turns.
Yeah,
Okay,
do you
who's
want to
doing
do it,
next?
Avery?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Jump through it.
Oh, Colin's pretending to be a puppy.
Woo!
Watch your hips, sweetie.
Go.
Okay, Avery, your turn. Woo!
Yay!
Jump. Jump here. Hey, that's cheating. Okay, Ellie, your turn. Hey. I think, okay, watch. Max,
My turn.
Max, can you do a super jump for us?
My turn.
Okay, go.
I win.
Okay, Max, come on. Come on. Okay, come on, Max. Okay, come on.